Chris Hernandez. Whopper for a penny.
What?
Not healthy, but hey, a burger's a burger. Drop everything. Well, I am a little hungry and I haven't eaten meat in a heck of a long time, so in normal circumstances, I would not eat a burger, but somehow I crave it a little bit. I haven't had beef in a really long time, so I'm gonna get a burger even though I know it's incredibly unhealthy for me. So, let's go. Order a Whopper for only 1 cent at McDonald's. Unlock within 600 feet. I have arrived at the Burger King and you're supposed to be within 600 feet of the McDonald's, and there's a McDonald's across the street. I just wanted to see if I can just get it here without ever getting really close enough to that McDonald's. So I'm gonna try that out on the app right now. I am hungry. Order. Access your location. Okay. So it seems like I'm not close enough to unlock this, so I'm gonna go across the street right now. I can almost see the McDonald's from where I am. I'm gonna click on it to see. Nope. Okay, maybe I need to be like right in front of it. I think that's what they want. So let me just drive right next to it before I can order. I'm gonna pull up into the parking lot now of McDonald's. I am right in front of the McDonald's. Should do it. Okay, I'm gonna park to see, you know, refresh the app or something. You see it's highlighted. It's like, you know, is it gonna work now? Oh, it just said it's unlocked. Congratulations, you unlocked the Whopper Detour. It says, okay, coupon unlocked. Congratulations, you unlocked the Whopper Detour. You have an hour to order a Whopper sandwich for 1 cent. Okay, how do I order it? I wanna order it. Choose your restaurant. I'll choose that one in Newark. Order, no mustard. Okay, done. Add to order. Log in with email. Okay, I actually have to sign up for some account now. Okay, I actually have to enter in my credit card information to pay for this thing. Continue. So now I have to arrive and tap I'm here. Okay, let's do that. Going back to that thing. They really want you to like get in the parking lot of that area to actually physically go there, kind of like one of those geolocation type of games. This is kind of fun, and I feel like whenever there is some special deal like this, usually people do not redeem something like this. They would not go out of the way to redeem, let's say, a $5 gift card, $10 gift card, something kind of small, and it would inconvenience you. For me, I'm like, okay, I'm not doing that much anyway, and I wanted to snack. Generally, if you jump right onto these deals right away, then you can get more of these deals, if that makes sense. So I don't know, I think the Whopper is worth, I don't know, $4 or $5 or something these days. Fast food is very expensive. It's almost more expensive than my regular food. So I fully realize that they do this promotion, and you know, you're gonna have some vloggers out there that's gonna vlog about this, and you know, they're gonna get even more advertisement, and you know, me putting it on my channel is kind of like advertising for Burger King. So you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna click I'm here. It says order 93, all set. We're preparing your order now. Please give your name to the BK staff member and let them know you placed a mobile order. Order time 4:23. Okay, so I gotta tell them my order number is 93 and I did a mobile order. Okay, I'm gonna go through the drive-thru. Hi, I have a mobile order number 93.
Number 93. All right. See you at the second window.
Thank you. Thanks. To preserve its freshness, I'm gonna eat in the parking lot. Here's my order, December 9, 2018, order number 93. Blah, 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 1 penny. Again, it says 1 penny over here. Cool. What do I get here? Some napkins. Whopper. Nothing else in the bag. Okay, here it is. The Whopper. So, I'm gonna open it up. It's actually a little bit bigger than I remembered it. Lettuce. I wonder if it's organic lettuce. 2 slices of tomato, pickle, ketchup, patty. I know you guys think I'm vegan because I've been not eating any meat based on the groceries that I buy. But you know, for special circumstances, 1 penny Whopper, I guess I'll eat it even if it's fast food. You know, it's something fun to do, I guess. Okay, here we go. Tastes like how I remembered it. For such a long time of not eating meat, I would say it probably tastes a lot better to me than if I always eat fast food. I like it. Now Burger King's app has my credit card information. I wonder what they're gonna do with that. I wonder if they're going to leak my data, leak my credit card information to other people. Generally, over the past 4 times where I had fraud on my credit card, where it's a charge that I did not do, I just call them up and then, you know, sometimes they make you sign something, it might be electronic, and then they just, you know, remove it almost right away, and then you're not responsible for the charges. I think someone told me about a Big Mac deal. I think it was $1. Or was it a penny as well from McDonald's? I did not get that at the time for some reason. Maybe at the time I was still eating meat, so now I'm like, oh, meat, you know, I'm gonna go and can have it. It's like an excuse. I should live. I'm not eating this every single week. This is like my first Whopper in probably at least a year. I'm gonna upload this video pretty quickly, so there's still time to get this. So now that 1 cent deal no longer appears on the app anymore, so I can't even see it to check when it expires. I believe it's on the 12th of December of this month. So right now it's the 8th. You probably have another 4 days to do it. Maybe by the time I release this video, it will be like another few days where you can still claim this deal. So how much is this Whopper if it's not 1 penny? I haven't been to Burger King in such a long time that I actually don't know. Let me go look it up on the Burger King app. That's it, I'm actually finishing it. Okay. Wow! Look at that! The Whopper here is $5.29. Okay, so I guess I say $5.28 plus tax. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. This was fun. Free sandwich for me, free sandwich for you, and free advertisement for Burger King. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to give me a like on this video, push that subscribe button, and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Picked up some mail over here. What's this one? Jessica L. Happy holidays. This is like a Christmas card or something. Maybe I should open it right away. Need a knife. I have a knife over here. I like getting mail. Thank you for sending this, Jessica. Anything. I like mail. I don't care what it is. If it's like a little note, great. Check this out. It has a little bird. A nice note here. Beat the Bush. Thank you for uploading your advice on YouTube. Not sure if you have access to IKEA, but they offer free coffee, tea, cappuccino to all members throughout the day. Yes. There's an IKEA over here, over in East Palo Alto in the Bay Area. I do go there sometimes. Also, IKEA offers $1 breakfast from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Unfortunately, the IKEA is a little bit too far for me, so then, you know, I probably wouldn't travel all the way there just to get $1 breakfast. If I was closer, yeah, you know, maybe I'll be there every single day. The food is at good quality, and one could not buy the ingredients for the price they charge for the prepared food. Okay, regards from your avid fan, Jessica L. Thank you for the note. And what else is in this DHL packet? DHL means usually it's coming from Asia, right? So this is something I need to review, and I kind of have an idea what's in here. I'll open this up later.